Now, if you've never used scissors in the kitchen, you really are missing out. This is from iBayam. It's a 2-piece kitchen scissors set, pretty identical scissors, and I'm just gonna show you what you use them for. So let's unbox them today. It's pretty much just a complete, there we go. Not the greatest packaging I've ever seen, but it does the job. Now let's pull out what you get with it. Boom, 1 pair of scissors. Boom, 2 pairs of scissors. And now, boom, discarded packaging. Okay, so let's take a look at these scissors. Very, very simple. Really well-made grips inside here. So you get a nice feeling when you stick your fingers inside. Awesome. Okay. It also comes with these blade protectors, so we can push that on. Safety, right? Now we can't use them. Pull them out, really simple. Okay, just a little protection measure. You get 2 of them. This is a 2-piece set. Now, this can be used for a variety of things, to crack nuts, stuff like that. You can see it's pretty, right? Don't stick your finger in there, that will hurt. These are pretty powerful. Now, kitchen scissors can be used for a ton of different stuff in the kitchen, cutting things up. I use it particularly for meats and things like that. I find it way easier to cut meat with these, especially when you're just cutting it into pieces. You know, you have some tenderloin or you have some chicken breast, you're cutting into strips, cut, right? Don't slice, cut. Makes it way easier. Now, both pairs are 100% identical. Okay, they can be used for the exact same thing, just different colors, right? So if you prefer one pair over the other, I love that they do include a 2-piece set, because it's going to make it a little easier for me to, you know, if one piece gets dull, or if they, you know, over time wear out, at least I have a second pair that I'll be able to use, and, you know, always have some scissors in the kitchen going forward.